All right, so this roll of film has the first photos that I've made in like over 3 years. And I gotta say, my credibility here is on the line because either I've done okay with this roll or I've completely blown the exposures. But either way, we're gonna find out because I'm gonna unload this roll of film. I'm gonna take it to get processed. And by the end of this video, you're gonna be able to see, do I still got it or did I completely blow it?
Am I a loser of a photographer?
We're gonna find out. All right, so the last time that I posted a video here on YouTube was like over 3 years ago, which lines up really well with when the last time I took a photograph was like over 3 years ago, which means that this finger right here,
Right here?
3 years ago since it pushed the shutter release button on a camera. And I gotta say, I'm a bit nervous on what we're gonna see on this roll of film. A bit insecure, because I feel like when I'm out there doing my magic, right? When I'm taking meter readings, I feel like I'm got two eyes closed and using my left hand. I just have no idea what I'm doing. It didn't come back to me like tying my shoes. So I don't know what we're gonna find, but we're gonna find out soon what we're gonna find. Now you might be wondering, why haven't you posted a video here on the YouTube in like 3 years? And you may also be wondering, why haven't you made a photograph in 3 years? What's going on, man? What have you been up to? Well, I'm gonna explain it to you while I unload this roll of film so I can take it to get processed and then load up a fresh new roll of film. First off, I was seriously burnt out from making creative family portraits. I'd been doing it on and on and on for so long. How many times do you tell the same story before you just get burnt out? And I was on serious overload burnout. I tried traditional portraits to get through it, and while those turned out pretty decent, didn't work. I also did some composited environmental photos, which were kind of cool, and I enjoyed those as well. And then I also tried film photography there at the end, which is why I bought this old Hasselblad camera. While again, I loved it, I was still just seriously burnt out. And then boom, COVID hit, which gave me a really good reason to put down the camera and start building, which I did really well at. I'm sorry about the mic problem that I'm having. Truth be told, the realest reason that I stopped making photos is because of my struggles with who I am, with my identity. Am I a creative person? Am I a professional person? Am I successful? You know, my problem is always seeking validation through being professional and looking successful. That insecurity is why I literally quit photography back in 1997 to become a chiropractor, a successful professional chiropractor. And then again 3 years ago to start building a successful professional builder. It is a nasty, tiring, exhausting pattern that I go through. All right, let's go ahead and take this roll of film and get it processed. So I think I'm going to take this film to a new camera store to get processed. And I'm thinking, now just hear me out, I'm thinking that if the photos don't turn out, I can just blame the camera store and not me, not my photo skills. It wasn't me that did it. Camera store messed it up, right? Sounds reasonable. Anyway, in truth, you know, if these photos do suck, then I don't know. I'm gonna have to go back to cabinets, I guess. Dang it. Even the audio on this phone isn't working. Anyway, I'll get this figured out because in the next video, I really do have a big decision that I want you to help me make. It's kind of a life-altering, a life-changing decision that I need to make. But truth be told, I can't make any decision until I see the photos on this roll of film, which we're going to get processed right now. So let me go do that, and then I will see you back in the office, and we'll just kind of see what everything comes out like. All right, so I just got the notification that the photos are ready to observe, to look at. And this is going to tell me, do I still have the chops to be a professional photographer, or am I going to go back to the soulless life of being a cabinet? Damn it. Man, I will get this audio fixed, this mic fixed before our next video because I have a big decision to make and I want you to help me. But for now, let's go ahead and check out these photos and you can let me know in the comments below what you think.
Look at the way that I walk. Look at the way that I talk. Everything I got on me, I bought. You gotta bring forward what you thought. I always know the words, not the name of the song. You gotta stick to your moves when you're moving along. I ain't going back and forth, no pinging a pong. I feel like a million and the feeling is strong. Look at me go. Feeling cool like ice. Feeling cool like ice. One thing about me, you know I always treat me nice. One thing about me, baby, that's one thing. I make it look good. I make it look good. Watch me shine. Shine. Hold on tight, you know I'm about to hit my stride. 1, 2, 3. Look at me go.
All right, so if you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. And if you want to help me make a big decision in the next video, hit subscribe, hit the bell, get notified because it's decision time. Now you might be wondering, why haven't you made a photo? First off, I seriously got creative. All right, Jason, come on. Come on, brother. Come on, man. Come on, man. You can do it. You can do it, brother.